All right, so let's go to 22, y'all. Let's go to 22. Okay, so let's look at this problem. All right. So it says that 22, let me zoom in here. Okay, 22. Okay. Daphne gave away 3 more than half of her apples. Okay. She gave away 17 apples in all. All right. How many apples did Daphne have originally? Okay. So for this problem here, I'm going to set this up as the equation would be 3 more than half. So she gave away 17 apples in all. So it's going to be the amount of apples that she had and she gave away. So if you give something away, y'all, this is a key word that means to subtract. All right. So it's going to be the amount of apples. She gave away 3 more than half. So, A minus, or A divided by 2. And then we're going to add 3 equals 17. Okay. So we got, so it's going to be something like this. She gave away 3 more than half. So it's going to be A divided by 2 plus 3 equals to 17. Okay, because the total amount of apples is 17. So let me write this equation on a scratch paper and then solve for A. All right. So remember, the equation is going to be, we could do 3 plus the number of apples divided by 2 equal to 17. All right. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Okay, the 3's cancel out. All right, 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. All right, A divided by 2. All right, so our first step was to subtract out the positive 3. Now we're going to get rid of the denominator of 2 by multiplying by 2 on both sides of the equation. The 2's cancel out, and we're left with A is equal to 28. Whoops. Because 14 times 2 is 28. So A is equal to 28. That means that she started off with 28 apples. Let's see if this works by putting it back into our original problem. So if we got 3 plus 28 divided by 2 equals to 17. All right. So we got 3 plus 14, because 28 divided by 2 is 14, equals 17. This is true. Okay, that's how we double check our work. So what we did was, we did 3 plus A divided by 2 equal to 17 we did 3 plus A divided by 2 equals 17. We got rid of the 3 by subtracting by 3 on both sides, which left us with the 3's canceling out, and 17 minus 3 is 14. We brought down the fraction A divided by 2. So A divided by 2 equals 14. We multiplied both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of the denominator of 2. We're left with A is equal to 28. A is equal to 28, okay? We double check our work by putting 28 for A into our original equation. So 3 plus A over 22, remember A is equal to 28. So we do 3 plus 28 divided by 2 equals 17. So 3 plus 28 divided by 2 is 14. So 3 plus 14 is 17. That answer is true. Okay? So the answer is A is equal to 28. All right? So for 22, the answer is 28. All right, 28. Okay? Hope this video helps, and I will see y'all soon. She started off with 28 apples. That's how many apples that Daphne had originally.